book of Psalms 34, the psalmist David says, I will bless the Lord at all times, and his praises shall continually be in my lips. He continues by saying, bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me, bless his holy name. And because of his knowledge of God, he instructs himself and he says, I will bless the Lord at all times. Lord, as we look back on the journey that we have overtaken, we have come to realize that it was not by power, nor by might, but by your Spirit that we have made it this far. And we have come to say that in all these things, we have learned to trust in you, Lord. Through the tests and the trials, the battles that have been won, even in the secret place, we have learned to look upon you and trust no man but you, God. We lift up our eyes unto the hills, from where cometh our help, for our help cometh from you. Brother Bongani, testify, sir. Together for good, to them that trust in the Lord, for they are chosen by his purpose.